Welcome to your ultimate guide for registering and participating in Google Cloud Arcade 25 Season 2. Whether you are new or returning, this guide will help you to start fresh and stay ahead. Why you need a Gmail account over here first of all. First things for the Arcade Season 2, you must have create a new Gmail ID. But why? Because your previous session progresses and the batches won't carry forward. This ensures a fair start and a proper tagging for everyone. So you should have a new Gmail with a clean start, no progress carries and pro badges and the reward stacking. Now we are going to see how to set up your Google Cloud Skill Boost profile. So once you are ready with your new Gmail, you have to open into a Google Chrome and you have to just search for the Cloud Skill Boost. Once you hit enter, you will be redirecting to this particular link. Once you have to open this particular links on this particular page, now you have to click on the sign in. Okay, once you click on the sign in, either you can write your email or the password, or you can choose sign in with your Google. So I have signed in with my created new Gmail ID. Now you will be see this kind of dashboard. Now what next? Now personalize your profiles, add your names or nicknames or profile picture you do you like to do. Next, that is super important is you have to go to the profile settings and you have to make your profile as a public. So where you have to go to the settings part and you can have to just scroll down, and here I already have created my profile public profile, and you have to just click this mark and you have to just scroll and you have to update the settings. Now, if you have a private profile, so no progress tracking, and if you have public profile, they will be eligible for swags, rewards, and the leadership. Now, to officially join Arcade 25 Season 2, fill out the Google Form subscription form. Okay, what form to fill? You have to come up over again to the Arcade. You have to subscribe here. Once you click on subscribe here, the one Google Form going to up. So you have to provide with your Gmail. You have to give your email first of all. Then you have to go to the next, and you have to just click on this kinds of two tick marks, that is yes, and you have to submit this particular option. Once you submit this, you will be see a confirmation of the subscription on your Gmail account. So once my Gmail is open, so this is my confirmation has been comes up over here on this particular Gmail. Now like this way, you can unlock your access to the monthly challenges like Triverias. Like you can scroll down. We have level 1, level 2s. We have Triverias week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. We have certification zone. We have arcade hero missions. So each challenges helps you to earn arcade points, move up on the leaderboard, and unlock rewards like swags and the badges and the more. So need help along the way, join communities like WhatsApp group. I will be providing link into the description. You can join this particular group, and I'm going to share each and every update on that particular group. Like how to fill out the our facilitator programs, what are the goodies, what are those things. If you have any queries, you can ask me on that particular group also. So start your arcade journey today and earn your way to swag certifications and the glory. Like, share, subscribe for upcoming arcade walkthrough. All the best. See you soon at the top of the leadership board.